Eyewitness News at 5 from WTVO 17. This is Eyewitness News at 5.
Good evening. I'm Mimi Murphy. Eric Wilson will join us in just a few minutes. Plus, a local company helps a Winnebago man walk again. The prosthetic, that's a first for the area. A Winnebago man is able to walk again thanks to a local company. It's all due to a prosthetic that's a first of its kind to be made in the state line. Drea Baroni learned more about the new technology helping amputees. Drea?
Yeah, Mimi, this afternoon I stopped by Northern Prosthetics and Orthopedics. It's a facility that's been in the state line for over 50 years. As technology's evolved, they have too, providing their patients with the most up-to-date care. Now, one of their patients, Kendall Ford, is the first out of the facility, and they say the entire Rockford area to receive a 3D printed prosthetic.
Our goal is to help people in and around Rockford to have access to the best technology that's out there in the world. So, it should be as easily accessible as somebody in Germany, somebody in Chicago, somebody in New York has.
He says using this technology speeds up the recovery process, even making it possible to get people their prosthetics just hours after their first visit. I'll have more on how it all works, and we'll hear from the patient receiving this a little later at 6. Mimi?
All right, thanks, Drea.